Every single second, McDonald's sells 75 burgers. 75 per second.
That's 6.5 million burgers every single day. But where do they all come from?
From farms across the world to your tray in under 3 minutes. This is the journey.
Welcome inside the factories that feed the planet. Billions served. Let's see how.
McDonald's operates over 40,000 restaurants in 119 countries worldwide.
69 million customers walk through those doors every single day.
Feeding that many people requires a supply chain most companies can't even imagine. Every day, McDonald's suppliers produce 9 million pounds of beef, just for America. Their French fry suppliers process 3.4 billion pounds of potatoes annually. The bun suppliers bake enough bread every year to circle the earth twice. 500 million pounds of sauce. Ketchup alone fills Olympic swimming pools. Over 10,000 trucks deliver ingredients to restaurants daily. Synchronized precision. Every ingredient is tracked from farm to restaurant. One contamination shuts everything down.
Thousands of quality tests happen daily. Consistency is the product McDonald's actually sells.
But to understand how a Big Mac reaches your hands, we need to start with the beef. McDonald's beef comes from cattle raised on ranches across multiple countries.
Approved suppliers must meet strict animal welfare standards. Audits happen unannounced.
Every animal is tracked from birth. That ID follows the beef all the way to your burger. When cattle reach processing weight, they travel to USDA-inspected facilities. These plants process thousands of cattle daily. Speed and safety must coexist.
Federal inspectors are present at all times. Every carcass is examined individually.
McDonald's uses beef trimmings from multiple cuts: chuck, round, sirloin. Blended for flavor, the grinding process creates consistent texture. Temperature is monitored constantly.
Fat content must hit exactly the right percentage. Too lean and patties are dry. Too fatty and they shrink.
Forming machines stamp out patties at incredible speed, each one weighing exactly the same.
A quarter-pounder patty weighs 4 ounces raw. It'll cook down to the size you know.
Flash freezing happens within minutes. -40 degrees locks in freshness. Frozen patties are boxed and labeled. That tracking number from the ranch? Still attached.
Random patties from every batch are cooked and tested. Taste, texture, appearance.
From living cattle to frozen patty takes about 2 weeks. Now it needs potatoes beside it. McDonald's French fries start in potato fields spanning hundreds of thousands of acres. They use mostly russet Burbank potatoes. High starch content creates that crispy exterior. Harvesters collect millions of pounds daily during peak season. Timing is everything.
Fresh potatoes travel directly to processing plants, usually within 24 hours of harvest.
A single plant can process 2 million pounds of potatoes every day.
First, the potatoes are washed. Rocks and debris are removed automatically. Steam peeling removes skins in seconds, faster and more efficient than mechanical peeling. Water jet cutters slice potatoes into fries at 6 miles per hour. Precision cuts.
The perfect fry has a specific length to width ratio. Too thin and they burn. Too thick and they're soggy.
Blanching in hot water removes excess sugar. This prevents fries from getting too dark.
Drying removes surface moisture. This is critical for achieving that crispy texture.
A light coating of dextrose gives fries their golden color and subtle sweetness.
Par frying cooks them 70% done. Restaurants finish the job.
Freezing happens almost instantly. Ice crystals stay small, preserving texture. Packaged fries ship frozen worldwide. But they need something to sit between. The buns. McDonald's buns start as wheat in fields across the American heartland. Wheat is milled into flour at specialized facilities. Protein content is precisely controlled.
McDonald's bun suppliers mix thousands of pounds of dough every hour.
Machines divide dough into exact portions. Every bun will weigh the same.
Proofing lets the yeast work. Temperature and humidity are precisely controlled.
Those sesame seeds, applied automatically. Each bun gets the exact same amount.
Tunnel ovens bake buns continuously, 12 minutes from raw dough to golden brown.
The color must be exact. Too dark gets rejected, too light gets rejected.
Cooling takes an hour. Packaging hot buns creates moisture and mold problems. Slicing machines cut every bun at exactly the same height. Consistency is everything.
Nitrogen flushing removes oxygen. Buns stay fresh for weeks without preservatives. Millions of buns ship daily. But a burger needs more than beef, fries, and bread. Big Mac special sauce. The recipe is one of the most guarded secrets in fast food.
Mayonnaise base, sweet pickle relish, yellow mustard, vinegar, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder.
Thousands of gallons are mixed at once. Every batch must taste identical.
pH levels, viscosity, color, flavor profile. Every batch undergoes dozens of tests.
Ketchup production uses millions of pounds of tomatoes, concentrated and seasoned. McDonald's mustard is specially formulated, tangier than store-bought, designed for beef. Pickles are sliced to exact thickness, thin enough to layer, but thick enough to crunch.
Dehydrated onions rehydrate in the restaurant. Fresh onions at every location would be impossible.
Lettuce is washed, shredded, and shipped within days. Cold chain is critical.
American cheese slices are engineered to melt perfectly. That specific gooey texture is intentional.
Every ingredient has its own supply chain. Coordinating them is a logistics miracle.
Beef, buns, sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions. Now they all need to meet. This is where everything comes together. Distribution centers spanning football fields.
Over 2,000 different products are tracked, from napkins to nuggets.
Every box is scanned in and out. Real-time inventory across the entire network.
Frozen goods are stored at -10 degrees. The cold chain never breaks.
Dry goods stay at room temperature. Buns, cups, wrappers, utensils.
Fresh items have days, not weeks. lettuce, tomatoes, and dairy rotate constantly. Each restaurant order is custom picked. Different locations need different quantities.
Orders combine frozen, refrigerated, and dry goods, all going to the same truck.
Even the packaging is inspected. That red and yellow must look exactly right.
Happy Meal toys require their own logistics. Millions of the same toy, delivered simultaneously worldwide.
The boxes are designed to keep food warm. Every fold is engineered.
Cup lids undergo pressure testing. A leak in a drive-thru is a customer complaint.
A typical restaurant receives deliveries 3 times per week. Thousands of items each time.
Loading happens overnight. By morning, trucks are on the road.
From distribution center to restaurant is the final factory leg. But timing is everything. 10,000 trucks crisscross the country daily. Each one a mobile freezer. Temperature is tracked by GPS. A 2-degree variance triggers automatic alerts.
Drivers check temperatures at every stop. Documentation is mandatory.
Urban deliveries happen before restaurant opening. Tight windows, heavy traffic.
Restaurants have specific delivery windows. Early or late disrupts everything.
Every delivery is temperature checked on arrival. Warm, frozen goods get rejected.
Walk-in freezers are organized precisely. First in, first out. Rotation prevents waste.
Every item is logged. Inventory accuracy prevents shortages during rush hours.
Dry storage is equally organized. Buns here, packaging there, everything in its place.
Managers sign off on every delivery. Accountability throughout the chain.
From farm to restaurant storage, now there's only one step left: cooking. From farm to restaurant storage, now there's only one step left: cooking.
The McDonald's kitchen is a factory in miniature. Every movement is optimized.
Frozen patties go directly on the grill, no thawing. That's actually safer. The clamshell grill cooks both sides simultaneously, 40 seconds for a regular patty.
Every cooking time is programmed. Machines beep when food is ready. No guessing.
Fries cook for about 3 minutes. Oil temperature is precisely maintained.
During lunch rush, fryers run continuously, hundreds of pounds per hour.
That golden color, the blanching, dextrose coating, and oil temperature working together.
Salting happens immediately. Salt sticks better to hot, slightly oily surfaces.
Buns toast for about 20 seconds, just enough to warm through and add texture.
Assembly follows exact order. Bottom bun, sauce, lettuce, cheese, patty, onions, pickles, top.
Sauce application is precise. Too much makes a mess, too little disappoints.
Wrapping takes 3 seconds. Every crew member can do it with eyes closed.
Holding time is limited. Burgers past their window get discarded. Quality over waste cost.
Drive-through orders are assembled in under 60 seconds. 90 seconds including payment.
From cow to customer, potato to plate, wheat to wrapper. Under 3 minutes at the window.
McDonald's made $23 billion in revenue last year. Here's where it goes.
A Big Mac costs around $5. The ingredients? About $1.20. Labor, rent, equipment, and utilities eat most of the margin. Restaurants keep slim profits. Here's the secret. McDonald's is actually a real estate company. They own the land.
95% of restaurants are franchised. Owners pay rent to McDonald's corporate.
Suppliers operate on thin margins too. Volume makes up for percentage. Scale is everything.
McDonald's buys from over 20,000 suppliers. Entire communities depend on those contracts.
2 million people work at McDonald's worldwide. For many, it's their first job.
They're investing billions in sustainability, packaging, beef sourcing, energy efficiency. Love it or not, McDonald's has built the most efficient food system in human history. 75 burgers per second, 6 million per day, 2 billion per year. This is how.
From cattle ranch to fry field to wheat farm. Thousands of hands. Millions of miles.
40,000 restaurants. 119 countries. And it all starts in factories you've now seen.
Billions served. Now you know what that really means.